I just slided this out and I put grease around the rubber, so basically inside and outside of this. Now it's fine, it's ready to go. Very important to put this top part in first. So this side goes, as you can see, this side goes inside, so it goes like this, up in here, right there. You have to wiggle it in, because it doesn't want to go in that easily. I just put a bit of grease, not just on this one, but here, where it connects both sides here, and it's not that, it doesn't require to apply too much force. Now it's in. With one hand I keep pushing it up, and with the other hand keep pushing this in.